In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to leads and customers with the Meta Business Suite inbox. Managing your interactions through this platform can streamline your communication and help you stay organized across multiple channels. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing business interactions on Facebook and other connected platforms. If you're not familiar with how to access it, you can easily find it by visiting business.facebook.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The Meta Business Suite offers a comprehensive overview of your business's social media presence, but for today, we'll focus on the inbox. Next, click on the Inbox tab. This is your command center for managing all incoming messages. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Inbox will open up a new window where you can see all the messages and interactions your business has received. It's like your email inbox, but for social media interactions. From here, you can manage all messages from various platforms in one convenient location. This includes Facebook Messenger, Instagram Direct, WhatsApp, and even comments on your posts. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier to respond promptly and efficiently, ensuring that no message goes unnoticed. Let's start with managing Messenger. By selecting the Messenger option, you can view and respond to messages sent to your Facebook page. This is crucial for maintaining a direct line of communication with your audience. Be sure to check this regularly, as quick responses can improve customer satisfaction and engagement. Similarly, you can manage Instagram messages. This feature allows you to handle direct messages sent to your business's Instagram account. Having these messages integrated into the Meta Business Suite helps you keep track of ongoing conversations without having to switch apps. Additionally, you can manage WhatsApp messages if your business account is linked. This integration is particularly useful for businesses that rely on WhatsApp for customer service or sales inquiries. Ensure that your WhatsApp account is properly connected to make the most out of this feature. You can also handle Facebook comments directly from the inbox. This option lets you keep up with the interaction on your posts and respond to comments effectively. Engaging with your audience through comments can foster community and build brand loyalty. Lastly, managing Instagram comments is just as straightforward. By keeping an eye on comments, you can address any questions or concerns your audience might have, further strengthening your relationship with them. By using the Meta Business Suite inbox, you're ensuring that your business remains responsive and attentive across all platforms. It's a powerful tool to streamline your communication and enhance your customer interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your leads and customers more efficiently through the Meta Business Suite.